Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you Fortnite error. The error is errors.com epicgames.fortnite.item-grant-failed. So if you are getting this error in the Fortnite game, then here you can follow the fixes. But before that, let me tell you that this error occurs when you try to purchase a item and want to add to your account. So here follow the fixes. Now before performing any of the fixes, first check the server status of the Fortnite game. Make sure Epic Games services are not experiencing any downtime. So you can check the server status at status.epicgames.com. Link is provided in my video description. So check here the Fortnite server status. If it is performing any maintenance or having downtime, then you have to wait for their server status to get back online and then you can check. But if their server status is online, then here you can follow the fixes. First fix is to restart the game. So simply close the Fortnite game and then restart it, cause it often resolves the temporary synchronization glitches. Fix 2 is to verify the files. So open Epic Games, go to library, and next to the Fortnite game, click on this 3 dot and then click on manage and then click on verify next to the verify files. And after the verification has been done, then you can go ahead, launch the game and then check if your error is fixed or not. Next fix is to Logout and Re-login. So open Epic Games, click on your profile icon and then click on sign out. After signing out, just re-login to your Epic Games launcher and then launch the Fortnite game and then check. Fix 4 is to confirm your purchase or code redemption. Please check your purchase history in your Epic Games account to confirm the item was successfully purchased or not. If you redeemed a code, ensure its accuracy and validity. Fix 5 is to switch network connection. If your internet is unstable, switch to a different network. You can connect to a mobile data via hotspot if you are connected to Wi-Fi and vice versa. So if you're connected to Wi-Fi, then switch to mobile data, and if you're connected to mobile data, then switch to Wi-Fi and then check. You can also restart your modem or router and then reconnect to Fortnite and then check. So these are some of the fixes that you can try to fix errors.com.epicgames.fortnite.item-grant-failed error in Fortnite game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.